how to set Spotify as music as alarm. So if this video have helped you, click that subscribe button and also consider clicking that bell icon so you'll be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So how to turn your music in Spotify into your alarm? This is what you should do. So first open up your Spotify account or your Spotify app. As you can see, there are a lot of options here, but it is your choice on which music that you are going to use as an alarm, since it is yours and it would be the music that will wake you up. So the first thing to do, or a tip for you, is to make your music or make this music add to your like songs. So in this one, you will have no difficulty in searching for this music in the future. And next is go to the three dots above and go to the sleep timer. And in here you can set the time for your alarm. And this is not exactly a alarm, but it is a timer in which it could act as an alarm for you for your music in Spotify. So this is a way in putting your music as an alarm in Spotify. So I hope this helps and see you on the next video.